Welcome. In this video, we are going to see how to choose electives in HND Electrical and Electronics Engineering. In HND Year 1, Semester 1, there is no elective. So all the courses are core courses and it is mandatory. So while registering for the course, you are supposed to choose all the courses available in the online system. In HND Year 1, Semester 2, again all the courses are core courses and mandatory courses. So while registering for the course, you have to choose all the courses. So again in HND Year 2, Semester 1, you see all the courses are core courses and mandatory courses. So again, you have to choose all the available courses while doing your registration. So here when you are in HND Year 2, Semester 2, you can see some of the courses are elective. You see Telecommunication 2 is an elective, Power Systems 2 is an elective, Computer Networks is an elective, and Medical Equipment Technology is an elective. So the other courses are core courses. If it is a core course, then that means it is a mandatory course. You have to choose all the courses, okay, all the core courses. And you should be very careful in choosing the elective courses. So in this semester, you are supposed to choose only one elective. So that means if you belong to telecommunication or if you want to do telecommunications, then you have to choose telecommunication 2, okay, and you have to leave the rest of the elective, like you should not choose power systems 2, computer networks, medical equipment technology, okay. And if you are interested in choosing power systems 2, you have to choose power systems 2, and that means you should leave telecommunication to computer networks, medical equipment technology. And if your interest is in computer engineering, then you are supposed to choose computer networks and you should not choose telecommunication to power system to medical equipment technology. And similarly, if you are interested in medical equipment technology, you should choose medical equipment technology as an elective and you should not choose telecommunication to power system to computer networks. Okay, so that is how you will be choosing the elective, and make sure that you are choosing only one elective for this semester. And in HND Year 3, Semester 1, there are some core courses. So you have to choose all the core courses. And when it comes to elective, you have to choose only one. Okay. In Year 2, Semester 2, if you choose telecommunication 2, then you are supposed to choose telecommunication 3 here. Okay. And you should leave other electives. And in HND Year 2, Semester 2, if you choose medical equipment technology, then you have to choose medical equipment technology in this semester, okay, and leave the rest of the electives, okay. Similarly, it is applicable for computer engineering and power system engineering, okay. In HND Year 3, Semester 2, you see fault diagnosis projects, electronic servicing, power electronics 2, electrical engineering lab. All these 5 courses are core courses and it is mandatory courses. So you have to choose all the 5 courses, and there are some 4 electives, okay, and you have to choose according to your option. If your option is telecommunication, then you have to choose only telecommunication 4 as elective, and you have to leave the rest of the electives, okay. And if you belong to medical equipment technology option, then you have to choose medical equipment technology 3 as an elective. And if you belong to power system options, then you have to choose power systems 4. And if you if you belong to computer engineering options, then you have to choose digital computer design. So among the 4 electives, make sure that you are choosing only one elective, okay, and that one it with respect to your previous semester, okay, and you should not choose telecommunications in HND 2 semester 2 and medical equipment in HND 3 semester 1 and power systems 4 in HND 3 semester 2. Okay, you are not supposed to choose like that. Okay, so you have to decide in HND 2 semester 2. Okay, and make sure that you are following that option in the following semester. Okay, yes, thank you.